Hello anyone, today I'm going to do a haul video. I just thought I'd show what I use to keep my stuff in as I'm buying it and haven't put it away yet. This is just my random vase. I used to keep Lush bath bombs in this, but then I ended up with too many, so it's turned into this. So I just keep everything, throw everything in here that's new, all kinds of stuff in there. And then when it starts to get too full, I'm thinking I'll haul it, because some of the stuff is too big, it won't even fit in here. And then I've changed my organisation around a little bit, so I want to start putting stuff away in drawers and things, but I'm thinking I might make it a two-parter, and then I might do all of my Born Pretty stuff separately, because there's a lot more in here than I thought there was going to be. Anyway, I hope somebody enjoys, and I'll get straight into what I've got. I'm not going to go in any particular order really, I'm just going to grab whatever, and it's all to do with nail art as far as I remember. First I thought I'd try these, which it's a 50 piece of the foil strips. I think they're like 30 centimeters long. I paid $2.88 for these. I've had one little tub of foils that I've tried a long time ago with a little cheapy glue, and I never had success with it, but I bought these and I didn't get a glue yet. I thought I'd try the old glue. The camera is not even going to do justice to these for some reason. But I've played around with these. I slapped a couple onto the little nail tips with the glue. And I had pretty good success with these. I'm wearing it on this hand. If anybody's wondering why my hands aren't matching, when I did these the other day, I had a reaction on this hand first, and then it went to this hand, and I thought I was allergic to something I was using, but I went to the doctor's yesterday and it turns out I have a type of eczema on my hand, so it's not the nail stuff. So I've yet to put these ones back on or decide to do something different, I don't know yet. But I used the foil on these, and I think these are great. They're just the cheapy ones. I'm thinking I'll go back and get the actual designs where they're like a meter long and stuff like that, and try them again, see if I have success with a different type of them with my old glue. But these are really good. I really liked these. You get heaps to choose from, heaps of holographic ones. I really liked those. They worked well instead of the other ones. Then I got the 5-piece of the wax pencils to pick up the rhinestones. I see a few people use these. I hear all about I think it's called the Crystal Katana, which I would love. It's not in my price range yet, but these seem to work pretty good. I didn't mind these really. I can't remember how much I paid for these. These were $3.12 for the 5-piece. I was thinking, because some of the prints I don't really like and they're all like standard on the internet, I was going to get some like cover paper and just wrap that around to make them look really pretty, get some glitter ones or something and make them look pretty. Might do that yet, just so it looks nice. Then I got some of these. I think I got 50 of these nail rings that go around the nail polish bottle. I originally had the little rubber things from my last video that go on the top of the bottle, and I really didn't like those. So I got these, 50 of them for $1.68, and I really like them. They're actually really handy. So I think I'll go back and buy some more of these when I get some more of my colours. Then I got the little brush holder thing, and this came broken in the mail. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It's still usable, just without one of the ends, but they did give me a refund straight away. I sent them a photo that it was snapped in the mail. It was not bubble wrapped, wasn't packaged good at all. This one, I can't see how much I paid for this one, but this one would have only been like $1 something, so not bad. Doesn't matter, I got a refund anyway. Then I thought I'd try one of these little finger stand things, which I like because I was using on my drill or on my largest bottle of monomer to rest my hand. It was only $1. Then I got a little smile line cutter. I just wanted to try it. This was only $1.25. I've never used it. I haven't even done a French yet actually, so I thought I'll cheat and use this in the beginning to get the hang of it. Then I got some of these, the little triangle containers to hold. I think this is 5 for $1, just to hold all the rhinestones and all the glitter when you're putting it over your nail. Then I got some of these little 3D diamond shaped nail art rhinestone things. These were $1.94 for 10. And they've just got little pinkish hue to them. Haven't tried them yet. Then I got a little wheel with the 12 colours. I think this is like the AB ones. This was only $1. I really like them. They seem like they're good quality compared to the ones you normally get in the wheels. But I really liked these. Haven't played with them yet. I'm definitely going to. I like them. Then I just got this random sheet of stickers. This was $1, I think. Yeah, $1. They're like the holographic gold. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. And these things are really good. I did my last set of nails and then I peeled one off. I was already completed. I thought I'll put it on and just see. I didn't top coat it. I just stuck it on, rubbed it down, and this thing stayed on for more than 2 weeks before it started to fade away. Like, it didn't peel off at all. These little things are sticky as. So I'm stoked about that. I'm going to try and get different ones. These are all just leaves and palm trees, and so I'm thinking I'll go back and get some flowers or love hearts or something like that, because these are really sticky. They were much better than I was expecting for $1. Then I got this little 5-piece of the drill bits. These are $1.49. I mean, I used it a little bit. I didn't love them. I mainly just used the sanding bands. I didn't notice them to be very good at all. Like, they were just the cheapy little set. I just thought I'd try it. I think they're the ceramic. Then I got this little 3-piece glitter set. Now this was $2.66, and I have to say, I don't think it specified the grams, but in the pictures it made it look like it was like the big bags, and there's hardly any in there. But I mean, they're nice enough. I don't know if they'll go alright on the nail. I haven't played with them yet, but they're pretty. I'm gonna put them into little pots instead of the little bags, but they're alright. I thought the price was a bit steep for how much you get. That's alright. Then I got a little gold glitter. I think this was only $1. I can't seem to find it going back in my purchase history. $2.31. It's pretty chunky. I just slapped it on a little tip, and I mean, I don't think it's as nice as the picture makes out it is. It's got the chunkies and the fines and everything. I haven't tried it in a nail art yet, but I don't love it. I have to see how I go with that one, mixing it with acrylic instead. Then I got another one for $1. This was just a white, I think it's like iridescent. I got it in 110, and this is alright. I had a similar one to this that came in a normal craft store glitter. I don't think it's going to pick up the little blue specks in it. This one's alright too. I'm not going to open any of them because these are messy. They're in all the screw top, and I'm still dealing with glitter from old sets, but that one does have blue green flakes in it. Then I got a bigger bag of this pink one. This was, I think I got number 2 in the listing of this one, and it was $1.25. I put some into a pot already, and I don't really love this one either. The pictures make it look really sparkly and shiny, but I really don't think it is. This one's alright. You actually get a fair bit in this one, so it's alright. There's another one I might go back and get that's got just a mix of different colours, so that one might be a little better. Then I bought these little dot things, which these were $2.99 for the 4. And when I bought them, I was hoping, because in the description it didn't say how many grams were in it, it said how big the pots were. So I was hoping they would be like the pictures and be full, which turns out they're not. They're always like half empty, and that's annoying to me. Like fill the container like you have in your pictures. But I got them, I haven't played with them yet. And then there was these. I wasn't really sure what these were in the picture. I think I got number 2 and number 3, and these were $1 each. I'm not really sure what I thought they were, but now that they're here, they almost look and feel like sand. I don't think they are, but I'm not actually sure what they are. If someone else has these and knows what it is, let me know, or what you're actually supposed to do with them. But they stick to the nail really well if you just dip it in. Like, it actually sticks, and it looks really cute on the nail. You can't really tell, but they seem nice. I'm just not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing with them or what it actually is. But they're only $1, so I thought I'd grab them. They're really cute. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this one up here, and because it's already like over 10 minutes I think, and then there's some more other random brand things, and then in the second one I'll do all the Born Pretty in that one as well. So thanks for watching this one.